Assalamu alaikum. Hi my dear students. Welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you grammar only. The topic is syllable. What is the topic? Syllable. So here it comes under pronunciation junction. Okay, pronunciation junction. Page number 58. Page number 58. What is the topic is syllable. Very important one in English language. Okay, what do you mean by syllable? Page number 58. Here they have given some words. We are going to read that. Okay, fire, hall, brother, wisdom, humankind, wonderful, retrospective, miserable. Okay, what these words, why they have given, now we are going to see that. Okay, the words in the first column are monosyllabic. The words in the first column are monosyllabic. What do you mean by mono? Mono means one. Okay, mono means one. And then while the words in the second and third and fourth columns are disyllabic, trisyllabic and tetrasyllabic respectively. So here in the second column, second, third, fourth columns are, first column is monosyllabic. Okay, the rest of the second, third, fourth columns are disyllabic. Disyllabic means 2. Tetra means 3. And then tri means 3. Tetra, it 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it's going. Okay, mono means 1, di means 2, tetra means 3. Understand? So now we are going to see what is syllables. Okay, do you remember what syllables are? Okay, they are asking question. Okay, do you remember what syllables are? A syllable is a sound unit that has one vowel sound in it. So a syllable is a sound unit. What do you mean by syllable? Syllable means sound. Okay, for example, you are pronouncing fire. Okay, so it's a sound. How many unit it has? The word has. Okay, a syllable is a sound unit that has one vowel sound in it. So usually in a syllable, one vowel sound is there. Okay, one vowel sound is there. What do you mean by vowel? I hope you all know what are the vowel sound, isn't it? What are the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So these words are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. These sounds are, these letters we call it as vowel sound. Okay, so in a syllable, that is syllable means a sound is a sound unit. Okay, sound unit, usually it has vowel sound. Understand? With the help of a dictionary, list some tetrasyllabic, pentasyllabic and hexasyllabic words. So with the help of the dictionary, we have to find the tetra. Tetra means what is that? What is that? 4 penta and hexasyllabic words. We have to find out the words they are telling. We know that every syllable must have one vowel sound. Okay, syllable means what I told you is a unit of sound. Okay, fire, hall, brother. Okay, so when you are saying a sound unit is separated in a word, that we call it as a syllable. Okay, and then here Um, yes, in a syllable, there is one vowel sound is there. Okay, there is compulsory one vowel sound is there. Okay, but what about consonant sound? Vowel sound I told you, A, E, I, O, U. What are the consonant sound? In alphabetical letters, apart from this vowel sound, what are the letters? We called it as consonant sound. Okay, in a alphabetical letters, that is A to Z, apart from this word, okay, this is vowel sound. Rest of the letters we called it as consonant sound. Okay, rest of the letters we called it as consonant sound. What are the rest of the letters? K, B, and then G, H. Okay, so apart from these letters, what are the letters in the alphabetical letters? We called it as what? Consonant sound. Understand? We know that every syllable must have vowel sound. So every syllable has a vowel sound. But what about consonant sound? A syllable can have a maximum of 3 consonant sound before the vowel and 4 after. So in a word, you can have 3 consonant sound. Okay, 3 consonant sound, and what is that? One vowel sound is there, and after the vowel sound, there are 4 consonant sound can be in a word. Okay, understand? So there is a structure is there. You have structure. So when vowel sound is coming, you have to put V for vowel sound. Okay, and C for consonant sound. So we have to put this structure only. V for vowel sound, C for consonant sound. Understand? A syllable can have a maximum of 3 consonant sounds before the vowel and 4 after. So in a syllable, syllable means what I told you, a sound unit. You are pronouncing one word, no? Hall, fire, wisdom, like that. So that is a what is that? Unit of sound. So in that unit of sound, you have maximum number of what is that? Consonant sound, vowel sound, and what is that? Again the consonant sound will come in a word. So now we are going to see monosyllabic word. Monosyllabic word means what is that? One utterance will come. For example, I, in, fire, hall. Okay, you are pronouncing in a one unit of sound only. Okay, there is no what. For example, brother, you have 2 unit sound is coming. So here monosyllabic means one utterance of sound will come in a word. That is monosyllabic. Okay, so now we are going to see the monosyllabic words and what are the structure it has. In a word, you have vowel sound is there, consonant sound is there. Okay, vowel sound is there, consonant sound is there. So we have to find out and we have to write the structure in that. Okay. Do you all understand? Vowel sound, just you have to remember A, E, I, O, U. This is a vowel sound. Rest of the letters we called it as consonant sound. Okay. Now, monosyllabic word. And here we are going to write the syllable structure. For your better understanding, they have separated consonant sound, vowel sound, and then consonant sound, everything they have detailedly given. Now we are writing the syllable structure only. Okay. First one, monosyllabic. I told you one utterance will come. I. Okay, one utterance only we are saying, not separating the word. Okay, like that, for example, wonderful. Okay, humankind. It is two sound unit is coming. So in monosyllabic you have one utterance of sound only. Okay, that is monosyllabic. First one is I. How you have to pronounce? I. Okay. So here what is the structure? What is the structure is here? Only one vowel sound is there. Okay. When you are pronouncing I, one vowel sound is there. Okay. So you have to, for I, the structure, syllable structure is, what is that? Syllable structure is vowel. One vowel sound is there. And then second one, in. This also one utterance of word only. Okay, in. So here what is the structure? Syllable structure is here, vowel sound is there and then consonant sound is there. Okay, in, e, in. So here N is the consonant sound, I is the vowel sound. So here vowel sound is there, consonant sound is there. Okay. And then third one, go. So here G is the consonant sound and O is the vowel sound. So here C, V. Are you able to follow me? I and in. Okay, you are pronouncing. So here I told you A, E, I, O, U. When you are pronouncing the word, if the sound of A, E, I, O, U is comes, means we call it as vowel sound. Okay. So here in. So here vowel sound is there and N is consonant sound is there. So the syllable structure is V, C. Next one, go. Next one is go. So here consonant sound is there and vowel sound is there. Fourth one, B-O-O-K, book. This also one utterance of what is it? Sound. Okay. Monosyllabic means what I told you, one utterance of sound. Okay. So that word we call it as monosyllabic. Book. When you are pronouncing book, okay, one utterance of sound is coming. So here what is the structure for book? CVC. CVC. So here B is the consonant sound and in between you have O sound and K is also a consonant sound. So you have to put the syllable structure like this. C, V, C. What do you mean by C? Consonant sound. V means vowel sound and again the consonant sound is coming. Understand? So these structure we call it as syllable structure. And then fourth one, fifth one, clean. This also when you are pronouncing clean. Okay, monosyllabic word. This is monosyllabic word. So how you can write the syllable structure here? C, C, V, C. How it comes? Clean. Okay, clean. CL is the consonant sound. in between you have E sound is there, and again N sound is coming. So clean, that is two consonant sound and one vowel sound, and again one consonant sound is coming. Okay, so here CL is the consonant, and here in between you have E sound and N is there, again consonant sound. And one more thing you have to remind in your mind, that is some words in English language, it may be silent word. Okay, it may be silent word. Some words, some letters only we are pronouncing. Some words, okay, some words, some letters are silent. So that letters we are not included in the, what is that, the syllable structure. Understand? So you have to remind that. CLEAN, clean. The syllable structure is CC. Two consonant sound is there, vowel sound is there, and again consonant sound is coming. And sixth one, truck. Truck also you are pronouncing in one utterance. Okay, truck, truck, you have to pronounce like that. So that syllable structure is okay, truck. So here also TR. Okay, TR is the consonant sound. Truck. Here a sound is coming and again K sound is coming. In between one vowel sound is there. Okay, truck. So two consonant sound, one vowel sound in between, and K is again consonant sound. Okay. So in between that vowel sound, sometimes we cannot identify the, what is it, correctly. Sometimes it's very difficult only. So here the structure of truck is two consonant sound is there, one vowel sound is there, again one consonant sound is there. So you have to remember that the vowel sound is A, E, I, O, U. If it is comes means we have to put V. Understand? Rest of the words we have, what is that, consonant sound. And next one is seventh one. There are so many examples they have given. Understand? So we are going to see, what is that, these are monosyllabic. Okay, these are the words monosyllabic. If the word is, for example, trisyllabic, okay, trisyllabic, three syllable, okay, or tetrasyllable or hexasyllable, means how will you separate the word? We are going to see that. These are the monosyllabic word. There are so many examples they have given. You look at that. And one more thing, in the case of polysyllabic words, polysyllabic means many, okay, many syllabic words, each syllable must have a vowel sound. Even it may be a polysyllabic, means more than 5 or 6, okay, syllable, means in that syllables also one structure is vowel sound is there. Vowel sound compulsory in that word is there. So here now we have seen the monosyllabic word. Now we are going to see two long words. Okay. Page number 59. For example, here word syllable division. for your better understand, they have divide the letters, okay, and then CVC form. For example, fantastic, okay, fantastic. So monosyllabic word, when you are pronouncing it at one sound only. I, in, go, book, clean, truck. Okay, now this word fantastic, how it's separating, okay, fantastic. So the syllable is separating, okay. So here how many syllables? 3 syllables are there, okay. How many? 3 syllables. And how they are separating is fantastic, okay, fantastic, okay, fantastic. Here we are going to, these one we are going to separate this, okay, these division we are going to separate. How? So here again C, V, C. F is the consonant sound, A is the vowel sound, and N is the consonant sound. And again ventasta, ta is the CV. Consonant sound is there, vowel sound is there. And stick, how they are separating? CC, VC. Okay. So here ST is the consonant sound, I is the vowel sound, and again C is the consonant sound. Very easy, okay. You can find out wherever that vowel sound is, A is vowel sound, here A is vowel sound, I is vowel sound. So rest of the letters is consonant sound. According to that we have to separate that, okay. So here fantastic, they have separated. How they are separated? Syllable division. Fantastic, okay. And then that ven is CVC and ta is CV and stick is the, what is that? CCVC. Understand? And one more examples we are going to see. Tonight. Very interesting this one, okay. If you understand tonight. So here the syllables are, this is 3 syllable, this is 2 syllable. Tonight, when you are pronouncing, you can able to. Fantastic, fantastic. So 3 division, 3 syllables is there. Here tonight, tonight, 2 syllables is there. So how you separate this? Tonight. So here we have to separate this. You know that T is the consonant sound, O is the vowel sound, and again CVC. Okay. Night. N is the consonant sound, and E is the, what is that? Vowel sound, and T is the, what is that? T is the consonant sound. H is the, what is that? H is the silent word. Silent word we cannot, what is that? Count that. Okay, understand? So here I hope you understand this very well. One more word is there. Parasite. Parasite they have given. This is 3 syllable. How they are separating? Look at the parasite. So 3 unit. 3 unit of sound is there in a word. Parasite. Okay. Now, how will you separate this? So this is consonant sound. This is vowel sound is there. And then again consonant sound is vowel sound is there, and then CVC. But here we have, what is that? four word is there, but the structure is CVC only. Why? Because that E is silent. That E is silent. E is silent. So here P is the consonant sound, A is the vowel sound, again R is the consonant sound, A is the vowel sound, and S sight. Okay, S is the what? Consonant sound, I is the vowel sound, and again T is the consonant sound. So the thing you have to remember is vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Whenever you are seeing in the word, you have to identify that is vowel sound. Rest of the word, that is consonant sound. Some words, the letter is silent. That we have to carefully identify the word. Okay. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Very important chapter. Syllable is a sound unit. Syllable is a sound unit that is separated in the what? In a word. Okay. There is monosyllabic is there, disyllabic is there, trisyllabic is there, tetrasyllabic is there. So there are so many syllables is there. Monosyllabic, we can easily identify that. We see that examples now, I, go, in, book, like that. Okay. What is that? Disyllabic means two word. Okay, wisdom, like that. And then now we have seen no fantastic, that is 3 syllable word. And then tonight, 2 syllables. Parasite, that is they are beautifully separate that division also. So your duty is, after seeing the video, you have to open the book and see that what are the things they have given in the book. I hope you all understand this chapter. If you have any doubt in this particular chapter, you can ask me through phone. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.